Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. The 2025 Dodge Charger Scat Pack represents a blend of traditional muscle car performance and modern innovation, aiming to appeal to enthusiasts who crave power and style. Key highlights. Performance. The Charger Daytona Scat Pack, one of the trims offered, delivers a whopping 670 horsepower and 627 pounds-to-feet of torque from its dual electric motors, targeting a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.3 seconds. This makes it even quicker than its gas-powered predecessor. It can complete a quarter mile in an estimated 11.5 seconds, competing with top-tier performance vehicles MIF discussion AMQ Dodge Jeep. Technology. Dodge has equipped this model with advanced features like a frat-sonic chambered exhaust, which simulates the iconic roar of a muscle car in the electric format. Additionally, the Scat Pack includes a 12.3-inch touchscreen with Uconnect A registered 5, Amazon Alexa integration, and various driving modes such as track, drag, and drifter. Dodge A. MQ Dodge Jeep. Design. The Scat Pack retains a bold and aggressive exterior, with aerodynamic refinements for the electric transition. Inside, you'll find customizable ambient lighting, a minimalist but sporty cabin, and ample cargo space thanks to the hidden hatch designer. Dodge A. MQ Dodge Jeep. Price and value. The expected starting price for the 2025 Charger Daytona Scat Pack is around $80,000. While this is a premium price point, it reflects its high-performance specifications and innovative features. It competes with both traditional gas-powered muscle cars and modern electric sports cars in this range MIF discussion AMQ Dodge Jeep. Verdict. The 2025 Charger Daytona Scat Pack is positioned as the muscle car of the future, combining cutting-edge electric technology with Dodge's iconic design and performance heritage. It's a compelling choice for muscle car enthusiasts transitioning into the EV era but may face competition from similarly priced luxury performance cars with broader everyday usability. MIF discussion. A. MQ Dodge Jeep.